Splash! Kaboom! Bark! Okay, this is just something I like to cook up. So I've got all the ingredients here. Oh, the knife I'll just turn it over. Okay, we've got zucchini, green onion, parmesan, tasty cheese, eggs, salt and pepper, corn flour, and your metal grater. I had a mental blank and forgot what it was called for a second. And then tea towel, you definitely need the tea towel for this, and your mixing bowl. So let's begin. So firstly, you get your zucchinis and you chop off the ends of them, just like so. And then you get your tea towel, you place it down, and then you get your grater, put it down, and you grate your zucchinis into the tea towel, just like this. Grate, 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 grate. It's tiring work. Sometimes you just got to help yourself and have a bit of a drink also, like so. Sip, 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 yum, 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 and continue grating. And then you do that for both zucchinis, and then boom, all done. And then you take it over to the sink, and then you squeeze all the excess water out of the zucchinis into the sink, so that it's all good, so it's all nice and dry, hardly any fluids left in it, and Bob's your uncle. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to carry the tea towel over and we're going to empty it into the mixing bowl, just like this. And what? Look at that. Freshly grated zucchini. And all the fluids are out. And then next we're going to do is we're going to get the green onions. We're going to chop them. My green onions look a bit sad at the moment. That's why I had to make this recipe, because I had to use the green onion now. But I'm going to replant them in the garden and forever have green onions. So chop, 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 chop. Oh, my nails look nice. Chop, 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 and then put it aside. Throw that in the dish also with the zucchini. Then you throw an egg in, and then you throw in half a cup of shaved Parmesan. Throw that in there with it. And then also a quarter of a cup of corn flour. And then your salt. And salt. Twist, twist, twist. Salt, salt, salt. Man, I made a mess. And then you get pepper. Put some pepper flavourings in there too. Butter. Get your spoon. Mix it all up. And then it should be all nicely mixed at the end of it. Turn your stove on. Get your pan. Whack some oil in it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make kind of like 2 little hash browns. I like to use a spoon to make my perfect little spoonfuls, to make 2 perfectly little zucchini hash browns for a sec. And then let them sizzle away till they're good enough to flip over. And boom, that's what they look like once they're flipped over. And then this is where the magic happens. After you flip them, let them sit for a little bit. Then you get your tasty cheese. Magic. Here comes the magic part. You're going to put the tasty cheese on top of one of them. Only one. And then you're going to grab the other zucchini and you're going to put it on top just like a little sandwich. And that makes a beautiful little snack. And you're going to whack it on a dish, serve it with some sour cream, and that is what I like to have for a snack. Hope you enjoy.